What it do? We here today at ALLSTAR FITMENT, and I was asked to come out here and drift with Black Market Squad. It's a lot of noise going on, but as you can see, we got some bikers hit a ramp. We got our cars back there. It's a big show, but right now, gotta hit the restroom, change into the right gear. All right, now we got the right gear on. Since I'm drifting with these guys, they invited me out here. Shout out to Black Market. We're gonna try to put on a show and a ride along with Drift and Smurfette. Some nice cars back there. Sorry with the squint guy, I don't got my sunglasses on. So, don't judge me. Fuck all you judges. But, took a mission and a half to get here. But, we're gonna do what we can do and enjoy it. On that note, I'm gonna take a spin so you can see what cars we got behind me. Ooh. That's the scene. Wish me luck. On grid, ALLSTAR FITMENT, season closure, and we're gonna have some fun on the show for you guys. And once again, I want to thank Black Market for inviting me, and pretty much just showing some tires. Let's do this. It feels much better, right?
Oh yeah.
Woo!
All day, baby, all day.
I had to go down to first.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Downshift through the circle, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
That worked. You guys just saw my latest vlog. Thank you for watching to the end. I didn't film an outro to that video, so I was too caught up in the excitement. I was excited the fact that I got invited to a show to drift and give ride-alongs. Shout outs to Black Market, Rex Mag, everyone that's involved in that show. I'm looking forward to more drifting with the guys. Once again, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and congratulations to Black Market for hitting 1,000 subscribers as well on their channel. Look them up, find out who they are. They do lots and lots of work and content. They work on drift cars. They even work on regular maintenance. Whatever you need, they got a Facebook with address, everything you need. Hit them up. Even just hit them up to have a conversation. You have any questions about drifting? You know, any type of drift related, automotive related, anything. Hit them up. Don't be scared. They're humble guys. So once again, thank you for watching. Pretty much rambling at this point, and stay tuned to the next vlog, which should be haunted moves. Peace.